Hello everyone, my name is Deepthi and I live in Hyderabad, India. And today I'm going to read out a wonderful book to all of you. I have a 5-year-old son and this book is his favorite book because there are many sea creatures involved in the story. And the story is quite funny too. Okay? So the story is called That Sound in Ocean. So shall we get started? Alright. One day, the clownfish hears a loud sound and it swims to the pufferfish. Okay. This is how a clownfish looks. It looks like a clown, right? Yeah? So that is why it is commonly called as clownfish. On hearing the loud sound, it went to the pufferfish because it got scared. It wanted to share the information with its friend. Okay? Danger ahead! I just heard a very loud sound, says the clownfish to the pufferfish. Now this is how the pufferfish looks. Yeah? See? It's all puffed up. It's usually not this big, but if it sees any large fish coming to eat it, then it takes in water or air and it gets puffed up like this. Yeah? Off goes the pufferfish to warn the stingray. Where did the pufferfish go? It went to the stingray. Now stingrays look like this. See? They have flat bodies like this and they look like this. Yeah? The pufferfish told the stingray. The clownfish heard a very loud rumbling sound. And then off swims the stingray to warn the sea turtles. We all know how the turtles look, right? So this is a cute little sea turtle. The stingray told the sea turtle, the clownfish heard a very loud rumbling sound that shook its home. Then the sea turtle said, "Oh, how do we swim across the ocean now?" Just then, they again hear a very loud rumbling sound. Okay? What could it be? This is so loud. They ask in fear. The sea turtle is quite intelligent, okay? It says, it sounded like a loud sneeze to me. Come, let's find out. Okay? So, the clownfish, the pufferfish, the stingray, the sea turtle, they all start swimming in that direction of the sound to find out from where is this sound coming. Okay? They swim until they see a big blue whale. Oh my god, look at this. Such a big blue whale. Yeah? See, the blue whale is sick. So what happened? The big blue whale is about to sneeze again. So what was that loud sound that they heard earlier? The sick blue whale sneezed. And all other smaller animals or smaller sea creatures thought that it is a danger sound. Yeah. So the moral of the story is we should never be scared and we should try to find out the truth. Okay. We also saw various sea creatures, right? We learnt about clownfish, we saw a pufferfish, then we saw a stingray, and we also saw the intelligent and brave sea turtle. We also saw the sick blue whale. Yeah. Hope the blue whale gets well soon. I really hope you all enjoyed this story. Thank you.